Ada titi za kwadi kuma kuna zako ikati sio sasa. Watu wanyofu kukonjwa sasa. Sasa kwa kweli. Anasha. Watu kwa kweli. Era cuco muito rápido, não vai ser assim. Como tá bom? Yucatán. Kau akan macam kumucau obokos.
Obogos.
Obokos ang ito.
Kubuchuk is, my name is.
Obogos.
But he said Kubuchuk, so Obukus.
Obogus.
Yeah. So Kubuchuk is, my name is, or I, something like this?
Really, yeah. What do you know?
Nadia.
Kumucau obokos di jauh buka aku. Dereka Yucatán, chico aku teban, asyik korang kacam kasih camka odua.
You know what is it? You can tell us what is it?
The roots.
Come again?
The roots, I guess.
No. You want to try? You want to try, sir? Really?
Well, you just hunt for the, look for the...
Check, but don't run away.
Is there more? Or
What's the check?
Very good. Ostrich egg.
Ah,
Good.
With water.
Water container. Very good.
Kau tak kau kaya kumai. Ayam dosi kaya. Dereka Yucatán. Chinga goma tingi kaya usut pasti kau kau cakap gomu kaya Yucatán. Pakai kau ngah. Chikai sa ka gama gats iti. Edeku on ho chikai sa chai tikaga hika si oga. Chai katika chikai sa si oga chikai sa ti Yucatán. The chikai sa kika sa ikin sa ti o ajun hamza tomatita kwa tu ku taika krigama. The cow that's equal go, say quite chicken in my cow, chico kuta Yucatán. A kai kwa chikai sa kyo chikai zika chai kai kasi kwe. Komangata chigota cow, can say kasi over kai kriga cow. A taga cow, that's a gag chatika, nickel kawaka. Can kaisi kokari kat Yucatán. Chai kan nasi kaisi kwe. And micha in Yucatán. Chai kan asin kaisi ogan ho chisake. Nkon kwe. Kan asin kuta chai kasi kwe. Kan hori kare kuta go bu khata kuta Yucatán kan asi tiga kau kawa kwa. Chai ka kwe. Anan itu asin. Chai kan ho kunka Yucatán waninga kutwa. Kata tiga kuanga na chinga kuta zang. Chai kagang utogang waninga Yucatán. Ogaga shesi kwe. Chai kanga ga shesi kwe. Chai kanga ga shesi kwe Yucatán. Chai kanga ga sigon minaruga tika si dum si Yucatán. Ka kamakuta chai ka kai kuangi to aga sigo. Ka gon wagu sega chai kaga sigon. Adanayo hinga karangu ko. Hinga ga si chikwe. Chai kaga si okwe twai. Kazi koro chao mako kuta Yucatán. Aga si kodu. Ka chai kazi kwe. Chai kaga si okhinga ka Yucatán. Ka shesi ngishe aka. Adain kwa chai ka ngti te titilisi. Ka chata kai ka sugar ka. Ka den kuta Yucatán cha ga shesi kwe. Aga sing shega cha ka shesi kwe. Uan to aga du ka kuta ga kri ko ka go ka. A kri ka go ka si go
Sun omelette.
O chingati ka wa go mu kri ma Yucatán. Dikagatsiwe ka go mika ka go kubu ka ga shen aga kungangu ka go kaba khia jukata. Azike kunga sike go kum. Ichima shu kuta jukata oga tsiga nguka. Kazi ko tri cha ukata ga sega ni. Ka shesi go kum. Kan igika kuta jukata ngwanika. Chai ka shesi kwen o shega. Ka gun o shega ka khika manga tsiga shu go khinho. Azikwa inga ko jukata. Tsa koroka kuta ngwanika shesi kum shega ka. Okoma geke jukata. Ochinga kan ogongu khibuma. Ekanwisi twasi ngwanika jukata. Kaga wonika chaya ga shesi kwe. Chai kanga ga shesi go kulukulu kogoka. Chai kanga jukata ga shesi go kuminaruka. Chai kasi okulukulu ka jukata shesi kwe. Aga shesi go ukawa twaka titilisi. Ko ukawa twaka go twaka ukai tsa jukata. Kanga ge nuta staga agu usikazi krecha. Kanga tin stago kum agu gukazi kai. Ochinga kumikan ogongu khia jukata. Ikanwisi twacha ikani kasi kwe twaka. Aga si ushuka go kunka jukata. Aga si go khibika jukata. Ka go kuntwa ka kabima agu ka chai kasi o kai twaka ai. Ka go kulukulu ka kabima ka ngata twao chai kasi o ngaduma. Ka kwa ngoma kwe jukata. Aga si go uga kuta. Ka twao chai kai ngaditsi ya ukata. An kuisi an kuntitwa. Oikage ga kulutwa chinga goma tsogongu khijukata. Akoma ko khajukata ga kuningho ka kutsanginza tsokupa kugake. Atana tezi tishu ka kabima sigo kunga. Ka kukuwa da jukata. Ka zinga gunga chaka kunga ka. Singa ga kabima ngoa. Ka uka sigo du tsara kanyi twani sikema twaga kango tikuku ke gama ta twauta ga kukula ta kwara jukata ochinga kumikan ogongu kri na utanunga kri ika kri.
Ostrich egg, also very important for them. You say when they are lucky they got a nest of ostrich with eggs, you take the eggs, take it home. When they come at home, they prepare the fire and then they shake the egg very well. After they shake the egg, then they make a small hole on top of the egg. When the fire is ready, then they remove the fire back, and where the fire it is a hot sand, then they will dig a small hole in the hot sand. From there they will take the egg, pour the egg on the hot sand, cover it again of the hot sand, bring the fire on top of there for a few minutes. After it's well done, then they have a sun omelette for the day. You see, also after that, take the egg, make sure, pour water, clean it very nice, because now it is changing to be a water container for drink. After you replace the cup, and then when they continue for hunting, then they can use water from this container, the shell, to drink. So it means it is a water container. Then they say also you must look to how the tree is to hide it again under the tree for a few days or also a month. When they return back one day, then they will get water, then the water is still okay. So then they say the ladies also have a lot of job. You collect these empty eggs, and then they broke it in small of pieces, make it nice, then you can make for them earrings, necklaces to look beautiful. And then they say also you can take the egg, cut it nice in the middle, make a small holes around the egg, and then you can divide it in two pieces. One is about to eat, and one you can use as a cup to drink. So also when the lady, the kids at home, the stomach, they have a running stomach, the stomach is not okay. Take a broken piece from the shell, and then you make it hot in the fire, and then it will change the color, it will become brown, and then you crush it. Then it can be like a powder. Then you give to the kid to eat or to drink from there. You can massage him. Yeah, this is what the guy said. Thank you very much. Good day.